Welcome back, guys. We are going to see how I make this page and this table only. How to make table in HTML? Let's see. This is a great table like course name and course code and instructor grade, letter grade, and status and comments. So let's see how I make it. Mm. This is a boilerplate. We have learned it about in my previous videos. Also, there's navigation links. We have learned about those in my previous videos. So we are not going to see this. We are going to see is how I make that table. So let's go for it. Firstly, I write the table in main tag because table is our main content. So we have to write it in main tag. Main tag basically is a tag where we write our main information of the page. And let's dive into the code. This is this is not table information. Like I will show you. This is the here stuff. It's just a paragraph and it's a H1 heading. This one and this is the paragraph. So um, we have this table tag to make the table. Make that big table. It's a table tag to end. We have to write all the content of we are writing all the content in only table tag because this is a main tag to make a table in say HTML. And this border one is like a must content because it decides the length of this border. Okay, so we are ready. And cells padding. Cell padding. This add cell padding like I will show you the. If I make it 0, then it will go like this. It adds space between text and the row of table. So we have to make it 10. Do it as you wish, or and spacing is basically like I will show you. Like we write it to, and it will do something like this. It will space two cells, and also it increases space in between. So take it one also. If we do not write anything, it will also set automatically to 1. So we have to write here 0. So it will not go. And this is a T head, means table head. Table head, this front content. This is a table head, like upper content of the table. This is table head. Uh, all that course name, course code, course letter, status, you have to write in the in table head. And yeah, this th also means th means it's short form of this, and we have to write a tr also to make. Tr means table row, row. This is table row, also a table row, also a table row, also a table row, and this th is a table head. So in table row we write table head. If I erase this content, it goes like this. Like those table heads are gone, and this only table head is present here. So we have to write it as it is, like as this, and we close the tr tag, table row tag, and again in table head we add table body. In table body, we use table row to show, and this is table